What's going on, guys? So I want to do a quick rundown of this car. I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to go a little bit in detail. So from the outside, this thing pretty much looks like a bone stock S2000. All the way down to the stock mufflers coming out the back. Sounds like a stock S2000 too until you get on it and then you hear the VTEC crossover. Underneath the hood, a little bit of a different story. K24 block with a K20 head with a drag cartel cam. It's got little goodies like a custom engine harness. See, nicely done. It has, so this vehicle originally came with a drive-by-wire throttle body. This is actually utilizing our adapter that we made and designed to use a cable throttle body on the stock S2000 manifold. Since it's drive-by-wire, originally it doesn't have an IAC, so this little guy here basically keeps the car and helps it idle. It's got a small little custom intake with a velocity stack on the end. And you'll definitely hear in the video the VTEC crossover is insane. You can hear how loud it is in the video. In person, it's even louder. This car has definitely room to grow. His next big step that I told him is what ultimately I'd like to see it is on E85. I'd like to see it with a bigger exhaust underneath because that's restricting it. But right now, it's going to be a fun little daily with more power, of course, than the stock S2000 motor, and definitely more room to grow. So hopefully you guys enjoy this car. If you got any questions, as I always say, feel free to hit us up. This was definitely a fun little project. Ran into a couple things that we had to basically design ourselves and just make work, like the throttle body adapter. But besides that, we were able to handle it. And yeah, I really like to see this thing get open up a little bit more, push some more power, but ultimately that's the it's going to be up to the customer. Who knows? Maybe down the road he'll put a turbo on it. Definitely a lot of room up front, so hopefully you guys enjoy.